All right, what we're looking at here is cabin scene. This is a URP reduced level of the cabin that's just got the cabin and the effects and the trigger that goes on. This is the very same scene that I've used for the VR Oculus demo of it, but there's now terrain. That's the only difference, and the fact that it is set up for Android. Now, what has to be done here is, if you look here, we'll see that it's no longer set to PC. It's actually set to Android. And we were building this straight to the phone. And something that I have learned and that I found out here recently, if you take a phone and you've got your Android, and you can do this wirelessly. I'm doing it with a USB at the moment. But if you will connect your phone to Unity through the Unity remote, which is pretty neat, check what happens when you hit play. All of a sudden, you are in your setup just like you would. And it's set off the trigger. And this is just streaming what's going on in Unity to my phone, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty neat. So, what about just having an app? Well, I've now disconnected my phone. It is no longer connected. And we get out of that. And we go, I have a build right here that is of the cabin. And this is not a video, it's just a build. As I move around, it moves. As I move the camera around, it moves. And pretty cool. Now, what I have found is this does not work for Android with a HDRP build, but only URP. So that's where we are at the moment.